Hi guys, today using an inkjet printer from BestCode, I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD screen. First thing we're going to do is power it off, and then we'll go ahead and unplug the power source from our receptacle. Now that the power is off, we'll use a flathead, and we will open up the compartment door. And then we'll use a nut driver. We'll remove the screw so that we can remove the lanyard and open up the door more for easier access to our LED screen. So with that door totally open and exposed, we're going to go ahead and remove the power source and the ribbon cable from our LED screen. And now we'll go ahead and remove these 4 screws from each corner. Be careful not to lose them because we're going to be using them again when we reinstall a new screen. So just put them aside for now. And with the last one out, we're ready to remove the LCD screen and replace it with a new one. We're going to replace our old one into the bag here, which is an ESD sensitive bag. Our new one in our ESD bag, we will go ahead and remove it. And now we'll replace it evenly on the cap stands. So in reinstalling these 4 nuts on it, we're going to leave the nuts slightly loose so we can adjust position of the screen. It's very important that we have the screen adjusted so it's square. We see every corner of the screen. So again, we'll just leave these slightly loose for now. Now we'll go ahead and we'll reconnect our power connectors. And our ribbon cable. Now we'll go ahead and we'll power it on and make sure that it's centered before we go ahead and tighten those down firmly. Just waiting for the firmware to load so we can get to our main home screen and have a better picture of placement. Now that we have the power on, we're looking to see that the screen was placed square. If not, because we left the nuts loose, we'll be able to make a little bit of an adjustment like we're doing here. Once we're comfortable that we're squared, like so, then we'll go ahead and we'll firmly tighten these down to hold it in place. Pretty much what's left now is just to put the lanyard and the nut back onto the capstan here. Tighten this down. Now that that's all set, we could do a quick test by signing in the GoTech. Then we're going to hit Display Tools, Technician, and Calibrate. Calibrate our screen. In each one of the corners, we'll see a target. And once you hit all 4 targets, your screen is then calibrated. You can go ahead and sign out. And that is how we change the display.